Let me tell you something most homeowners get wrong. You do not need a $20,000 renovation to make your home feel high-end, comfortable, and modern. In fact, some of the biggest upgrades that change how your home feels every single day cost less than $1,000, sometimes way less. Today, I'm walking you through home upgrades that feel luxurious, but don't destroy your bank account. These are upgrades that improve your daily life, add perceived value, and make your home feel intentional, not builder basic. Whether you're a new homeowner, planning to sell later, or just want to enjoy your space more, this video is for you. Let's get into it. Hey guys, if you're new here, my name is Marvin. I'm a real estate agent and a homeowner who believes your home should support your lifestyle, not stress you out or keep you broke. On this channel, we talk about home ownership hacks, smart upgrades, and real estate strategies that actually make sense in the real world. All right, here are my favorite luxury feeling upgrades under $1,000. Upgrade number 1, lighting changes everything. Lighting is the most underrated upgrade in any home. Bad lighting makes even expensive homes feel cheap. Good lighting makes basic homes feel custom. Here's what to do. Swap builder grade fixtures for modern ones. Add warm LED bulbs, not harsh white ones. Install dimmer switches where possible. And why this feels luxurious, you might ask? Lighting changes mood, depth, and comfort instantly. You can also upgrade dining room fixtures, entryway light, and bathroom vanity lighting for $300 to $800 total. Your home can feel like a high-end renovation. This is one of the best return on investment upgrades you can make. Upgrade number 2, smart locks and entryway upgrades. Upgrade number 2 are smart locks and entryway upgrades. This one feels luxurious every single day. A smart lock eliminates keys, adds security, and feels modern and intentional. Why homeowners love this? No more fumbling for keys. Easy access for guests or service providers. And it also provides a peace of mind. Pair that with new house numbers, a fresh doormat, and updated exterior lights. Your home instantly feels more premium, inside and out. Total cost, usually $250 to $500. Upgrade number 3, paint is the ultimate reset button. Paint is the most powerful, affordable transformation tool you have, and most people underuse it. Smart paint upgrades, accent walls, painting interior doors, painting trims or baseboards, refreshing tired rooms with warm neutrals. Here's a pro tip. Neutral doesn't mean boring. It means timeless. A fresh coat of paint can make rooms feel larger. It can also improve light, hide wear and tear on your house. So, for a few $100s, your home can feel brand new. The 4th upgrade comes in the bathroom. Bathroom refresh. The 4th upgrade is going to be in the bathroom. Yeah, give that bathroom a refresh without renovating. So, bathrooms are emotional spaces. You don't need a full remodel to make them feel spa-like. Easy upgrades are new mirror, updated vanity light, fresh hardware, new shower head, or even modern towel bars. Why this works, you may ask? People associate bathrooms with cleanliness and luxury. A $500 to $1,000 bathroom refresh can feel like $10,000 renovation when done right. This is especially powerful for resale. Upgrade number 5, closet and storage organization. Luxury isn't just how something looks, it's how it functions. A well-organized closet feels rich. Affordable options are closet systems, drawer organizers, pantry shelving, and garage wall storage. Here's why this all matters. It reduces daily stress. It saves time, and it makes your home feel intentional. Most of these upgrades cost $200 to $800, but improve daily life more than flashy renovations. Here's upgrade number 6, window treatments that elevate everything. This is another overlooked upgrade. Builder grade blinds cheapen a space really fast. Better options are curtains hung high and wide, neutral tones, blackout options for bedrooms, and good window treatments. They add warmth, they improve privacy, and they control light way better than your regular flimsy curtains. You can upgrade multiple rooms for under $1,000 and dramatically change how your home feels. And here's upgrade number 7. Think lifestyle first, not Instagram. Here's the biggest mistake homeowners make. They upgrade for Instagram, not for daily life. Before spending money, ask yourself, will this improve my day-to-day? Will this reduce stress? Will I enjoy this every week? Luxury isn't marble countertops. It's comfort, it's flow, and it's ease. The best upgrades are the ones you feel, not just see. If this video gave you ideas or saved you from wasting money, do me a favor, like this video, subscribe for more homeowner hacks and smart upgrades, and also turn on your notifications so you don't miss what's next. And if you're planning to buy, sell, or upgrade your home, even if you're not in my local area, I can still help you. I work with a nationwide network of trusted agents, and I make sure you're connected with someone who understands lifestyle, not just sales. Check the links below or comment upgrade, and I'll point you in the right direction. Your home doesn't need to be expensive to feel amazing. It just needs to be smart. I'll see you in the next one.